The urge to do this on YouTube is just like. Hello, I hope you all are having a lovely day. I am Sagarika Yadav, and this is my first video on YouTube, thus beginning my YouTube journey, hopefully. So, yeah, a little intro about me. I don't know why I did that. I'm from Mumbai and I've done my bachelor's in computer engineering. Did a corporate job for around 1.5 years, which I quit a few months ago to work on my passion, which is makeup, skincare, blogging. I began my makeup journey in 2020 in lockdown, and it was more sort of a skincare obsession which turned into makeup. And since from past 2 years I'm blogging. This is my Instagram handle. You can check out my work over there. I have done a few makeup series, created a few tutorials, a little bit of vlogs, and much more. So on YouTube, I'll be making videos on makeup, lifestyle, and vlogs. But there is going to be much more. So as you have seen the title of the video, this is going to be a tutorial video, which is so easy to follow, and trust me, this is a work of 5 minutes, and even guys can learn how to do an eyeshadow in minutes. It is going to be that easy for you, and this works 100%. I've personally used this trick so many times and I'm so happy that I've learned this. So yeah, the video is going to be about 2-step eyeshadow tutorial for party or a glam look or a wedding, and this is going to be fun. So let's begin. The first step is going to be the base, and the second step is going to be the glitter eyeshadow. Okay, so first step, which is our base color, is going to be dependent on your outfit. As in, if you're going for more chic look, that is for more neutrals and browns and orange lipstick, I would suggest you to use more sort of like a brown shades as your base color. So I think you can go for more sort of such palette. By the way, this palette is from Swiss Beauty Cosmetics, and I'm using Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palettes from past 3 years, and trust me, they provide quality. And if you're someone who's going for more sort of like pink look and for red outfit or something, I would suggest you to pick your base color as pink. And if you're going for a smoky eye kind of look, so I think I would suggest the base color to be something like this, like a dark eyeshadows to prefer, but then you can work a nice black glitter or something. So yeah, so the base color depends on your outfit in action. So for the first step, that is for the base color, you will need an eyeshadow brush. So yeah, this is a really nice fluffy brush that you can use to blend your eyeshadows, and all the brushes that I use is from Vega Beauty. They have a really nice quality affordable brushes, so you should check them out. Today I'm wearing a really nice peachy kinda white. So from this palette, I'm going to pick this color as my base color, and whatever products that I'm going to be using in this video, I'm to provide all the links in the description box below, so you can check them out. A very important tip that makeup is buildable. आप कम प्रोडक्ट्स को लेके स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं मेकअप, एंड देन यू कैन पिक ऑन द प्रोडक्ट्स एज रिक्वायर्ड. प्लीज़ डोंट पिक एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट इन द बिगिनिंग. अगर आप सपोज ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट पहले ही अपने ब्रश में एंड अपने ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर में ले लेते हैं, एंड देन उस पर काम करना इज़ बिकम वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. उस पर ब्लेंड करने में और एफर्ट्स लगता है. सो प्लीज़ ऑलवेज बिगिन विद स्मॉल प्रोडक्ट्स इन स्मॉल क्वान्टिटीज़, especially if you're a beginner, and then you can build a makeup accordingly. Let's begin. Now I am using this eyeshadow brush, and I'm picking a very small amount of this color. With practice you will get to know that if you have picked the right amount or not. Just to begin, I've picked a very small amount. If you feel like it's excess, just tap on the palette. We'll work our base color from the inner corner till here, along with the crease of the eye. So this is going to be the our region for the base color. यहाँ तक हम लोग base color apply करेंगे and blend करेंगे. So I picked up the product. Now I'll start to apply it and blend it In makeup, blending is the key, so please blend properly so your makeup looks more and more natural. Now with the remaining product in the brush, just blend it around the crease area. What this step will do, it will mainly going to make your eyeshadow look more natural and very flawless instead of giving a very patchy look. अगर आप blend नहीं करोगे properly, so वो ऐसे एक patch की तरह दिखेगा, एक dark color patch, and then it is not going to be a very flattering look. So please blend कीजिए. Okay, so as you can see, we have a nice base color on. Pick small amount, and your region will be from inner corner till the end of the eye along the crease in a semicircular motion, and then with the remaining product just around the crease line, and it's that easy. Okay, so likewise the other eye is also done. As you can see, the base color for both the eyes is ready, and this is the first step. So this will give a nice transition to the eyes. For the lower lash line, don't ever forget your lower lash line. Please don't ever make this mistake. Using the palette and with the tip of the brush, I'm going to lightly pick the product. I'm going to pick a very small amount only on the tip of the brush from your corner of the eye till the inner corner. Just blend nicely. As you can see, this eye looks more nicely outlined, and this looks a very unfinished. Now we have to jump on the second step, which is our glitter eyeshadow look, the final step, the second and the final step. Second step, which is a glitter eyeshadow look, you can either go for such liquid eyeshadow look, or you can use a powder glitter eyeshadows, glitter shades for your second step. Today I'm going to use this nice liquid eyeshadows. I've been using Swiss Beauty Cosmetics from past 3 years, and this brand is such an investment. I'm telling you, these brands, they really give quality products. I have so many Swiss Beauty palettes that I've used. They really give quality products, and it's pigmented and it is super affordable. And trust me, this video is not sponsored, so I'm giving an honest review. So today I'm in a mood to use this rose gold retro kind of shade. This is such a beautiful, if you can see, so if you use this liquid eyeshadow so many times, and I did my last year's Raksha Bandhan look using this trick and this eyeshadow, and last to last year I did my Diwali look using the same combo. So yeah, this, I'm telling you, this trick that I'm teaching you today, it is tried, tested, and it really works. Now to begin with this liquid eyeshadow. Now these liquid eyeshadows, they come really with a nice tip. Do you know you can apply them directly, but what I would like to do is I use a thin brush, something like this, and then I pick the product from the tip into the brush. Then you have to start side the crease. You have to follow your crease line starting from the inner corner till the end of the eye. Okay. Okay, and there you go. And this glitter eyeshadow look immediately gives the eyes more oomph and make it more party like. It looks like you have spent a good 10 to 15 minutes on this eye, but you have given only 5 minutes, a base color and a glitter eyeshadow, and your eyeshadow look is done. So let's just quickly finish the other eye as well. Again the same trick, starting from the inner corner, blending it nicely, following along our crease line. You're going to do this on your own. This is not going to take you more than 5 minutes, and your eyeshadow will be done like this. Okay, so our eyeshadow is done very beautifully, just in 2 steps within 5 minutes. Now to finish the eyes and giving it a final look, I'm going to use some mascara. Before that, what I would like to do is I like to curl my lashes. This is the difference using only eyelash color. It gives more sort of, a really nice curl, and it is already giving the look that I've applied a coat of mascara. And I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Mascara, always scraping out the extra product. And then you go. And I'm just going to apply my mascara in a zigzag motion. And please comment down if you want any tutorial on how do I apply mascara, and if you have any difficulties in or any queries that you're facing regarding the products or the makeup technique. So our eyeshadow look is done. It's in just a step. I'm so happy with the result. This look looks so glam but yet so chic, and trust me, when you're going to practice this step or going to do it, it is not going to take you more than 5 minutes. And just decide the base color, pop up your favorite glitter eyeshadow, some mascara, and you're good to go. Check out my early tutorials and work on Instagram. I have some tutorials and makeup look series over there as well, so you can check them out. If you try, please tag me and let me know. Please remember that I'll be providing the links to all the products in the description box below. You can check them out. All the products shown in the video are affordable and such a good quality, so you can invest in them. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the video. If you like the video or the trick, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon so next time I put up on any tutorials or vlog, you won't be missing out on them and you'll be notified. You can DM me or comment down your YouTube video suggestions or any queries, and I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so much content yet to come. So please subscribe and hit the like button, show some love and encouragement. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.